Hi. Hey gang. I finished my DRO install project on my sherline milling machine. It works nice. For my next major sherline upgrade, I think I shall continue going down the road of indicators on my lathe. I figure if I get 3 indicators, those nice digital plunger style 10 thousandths indicators, one with 2-inch travel and two with 4-inch travel, I will be able to do on the lathe in a practical manner what I did to the milling machine. However, if someone out there has a set of DROs that fit the shear line lathe and you want to see me attach them to mine, let me know. Down here at the bottom of the page, down here at the bottom of the page, where it says comments, and up here, yeah, right about there, notifications. Use those 2 things. Tell me. Okay. Toodles.